An important tax deadline is fast approaching, or we should say, is it?
Yeah, David is asking, when is the filing deadline for taxes in Kentucky? Some sites are saying because of the floods that the deadline has been moved to November 3rd, 2025. Well, here is Victor Puente with the answer to that good question.
That date in November is correct. The extension is specifically for people impacted by severe weather, but it includes everyone in Kentucky. The extension granted by the IRS says it is for, quote, individuals and businesses in the entire state of Kentucky affected by severe storms, straight-line winds, flooding, and landslides that began on February 14th, 2025. These taxpayers now have until November 3rd, 2025 to file various federal, individual, and business tax returns and make tax payments. The IRS says they will automatically identify taxpayers located in the covered disaster area and apply filing and payment relief. USA.gov says in most cases you will not need to request an extension. You will get it automatically. Also, the IRS says if an affected taxpayer receives a late filing or late payment penalty notice, they should call the number on the notice to have the IRS abate that penalty. The governor's office says the state will also extend their deadline to November 3rd. But Kentucky law does not allow for interest to be waived. The Kentucky Society of Certified Public Accountants says the interest rate is 10% on late payments in the Commonwealth. Also, your accountant may still want to stick to the earlier schedule if you can. Nathan Crafton, a CPA in Murray, told the Murray Ledger and Times that while it's helpful to know it's there if needed, most CPAs will be sticking to the usual tax season schedule. If you have questions about your return, it's best to ask your CPA, or you can also check with a disaster recovery center. If you have a good question, just email us, goodquestion@wkyt.com. I'll see you on WKYT Morning.